Okay, here is a quick video on how to use your Smudge Pot Direct Cleaning Kit. So you're going to use this large bristled brush and the black sturdy fiberglass rods to clean out your stack. You're going to want to clean your stack at least every time you burn. This is going to allow for less carbon during your burn. It's going to allow for more airflow. The cleaner your smudge pot and the cleaner your stack, the better combustion and the cleaner the burn is going to be. You're going to use the smaller brush with the two flexible white rods when cleaning your return pipe. You cannot do this while your smudge pot is put together. This is going to be something you do on your biannual or annual cleaning, something that you'll have to do when you have your smudge pot apart. There are two small 1/4 inch self-tapping screws that you'll need to remove the pot top from the base. You'll just use a 1/4 inch bit, remove those, the pot top will come off, and that will give you access to the return pipe, the hole on the pot top for the return pipe, and you'll be able to clean out the base at that time as well. If you also have purchased a new bottom from Smudge Pot Direct for your old vintage smudge pot, you can also use this cleaning kit for your vintage smudge pot. Again, keeping it clean, keeping it free of carbon as best as possible is going to allow for a better combustion, a cleaner burn, more airflow, and you can use the same tools just like with our Smudge Pot Direct Smudge Pot. You can use it to clean the fill hole, the return pipe, and the stack. One thing is, I would highly recommend when you are cleaning out the base of your smudge pot with this handy scraper that you do put on gloves because there is a lot of yuck and gunk. And also, as you're removing this yuck and gunk, make sure that you're following your local guidelines to discard fuel-based, oil-based products. With these tools, it's going to make your cleaning much easier. Let us know if you have any questions.